and see, hey? Good boy. Good boy, Snowy.
Come on then.
Yes, say yes. Snowy, yes. Snowy. Good one, say yes. Gone now, then.
You pretty girl.
What's she going on in the house?
Okay.
I think it's, I could not do that because I know. Do we have some carrots for dinner?
I tell you what else they quite like. Do you ever buy bags of mixed vegetables?
Yeah.
Frozen
I know,
vegetables.
the casserole.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they love that.
Do they?
Yeah, you could try her on some of that.
Yeah.
Oh, come on then.
But it's fascinating me how they're growing, the bottom there, like two fans,
Yeah.
aren't they?
So she didn't have any feathers.
Well, not many at all there, no. And I just...
And they're all gradually growing back.
I just sort of think we'll spray it with something and see what happens.
What did you spray her with?
It's not in there. It's diluted in there.
Oh yeah, it's a special one for birds.
Yeah.
Even just nice warm water they like.
Yeah.
Mine do.
You used to hoover.
Oh yes, that's right.
In the bed, started all the water.
Yeah, it's funny they do that, isn't it?
That's okay.
Oh, she's lovely.
You don't care, do you?
I'll bring her some, if I've got some spare toys, which I'm sure I have, I'll bring some for her if you like.
I'm sure she's like that.
I'm sure. I better go then, Snowy. Go do some work.
Go with a little parrot.
Oh yeah.